Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Manoranjan Shaw. Today I am going to attempt the programming in Python week 6 assignment 6 questions which last date is 31st March 2025. Okay, and these are my credentials, and now I'm going to attempt these questions for you. Guys, you can see assessment 6 January 2025. You can see here there are near about 10 questions. Okay, we'll try to attempt the 10 question one by one. Let's start the first question here. What is the correct syntax to create a list in Python? What is the correct syntax? You can see the correct syntax is list equal to in square bracket 1 2 3 4 1 option C. Why we choose one option C? Because in Python lists are created using square brackets. The other options are use curly braces or angle brackets, which are incorrect for creating a list. That's why one option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 2, which of the following statement about the list in Python is incorrect? Okay, incorrect statement is list are immutable. List are immutable. Why choose the list are immutables? Because you know list in Pythons are mutables. It is not immutables, meaning their elements can be modified after creations. Okay. The other statements are correct. List are orders and can store different data types and allow duplicate values. That's why it is not a immutable, it is a mutable. So the incorrect statements is list are immutable. 2 option C. Moving to the question number 3, what will be the output of the following code? Okay, list city name, 3 city names are there. First one is Delhi, second is Mumbai, third one is Kolkata. Print list city 1. So 0 it starts from the 0, 0 from the Delhi. Second list 1 means it will the message will come Mumbai. Okay. So 3 option B would be the right answer. Okay, 3 option B would be the right answer. Why? Python list are 0 indexed. So list city refers to the second elements. Always list city 1 refers to the second elements, and which is the second element? The second element stands in Mumbai. That's why the message Mumbai displayed. The message Mumbai displayed. 3 option B. Moving to the question number 4. What does the len functions? Len function do when applied in a list. So what is the len functions? Len functions returns the number of elements, means length, number of elements in the list, number of elements in the list. For option B, number of elements, it is returns the number of elements in the list because len function returns the number of elements in a list, not the sum largest or smallest. It simply returns the number of elements in the list. So for option B would be the right answer. Moving to the question number 5, what will be the output of the following code? List there is a A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Print list A 2 to 5. So it starts from 0, 1, 2. That means it starts from here. Okay. Up to how much? Up to 3 or 2 to 5? Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is up to go, goes up to how much? It goes up to, it's go up to C, D, and E. C, D, and E. High option B. C, D, and G. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. Then it should be C, D, and E. E, C, D, and E. 5 option B. Okay, 5 option B. Okay. So slicing 2 is to 5. Extract elements from index 2 to 4. Always remember, extract elements from 2 to 4, inclusive of the start index, exclusive of the end index. So resulting how it will be displayed? It will be displayed C, D, and E. Got it? Then moving to the question number 6, what does a list A4 returns? A list A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. That means it will reflect start phone number, that is A, B, C, D. 6 option A. 6 option A. That is slicing up to 4. Extract the elements from the starting of the list of the index 3. Resulting it will display A, B, C, and D. So where is ABCD? ABCD is 6 option A. Moving to the question number 7. What is the output of the following code? Output of the following codes list is this much. Print list -3. That means from right hand side. Okay. That is, it will be B. 1, 2, 3. It will be B. 7 option, how much? 7 option C. 7 option C. Why 7 option C? Already have informed you. Because negative indices count from the end of the list. Okay, end of the list from the right hand side. That is list -3 refers to the third last element, which is B. Third last element, which one you can see? Third last means that is 1, 2, and 3. So it indicates B. Okay, 7 option B. Now, question number 8. Which of the following statement about the remove method in Python is correct? Remove. It removes the first occurrence of the specified elements. It removes the first occurrence of the specified elements. Means the remove method removes the first occurrence of the specified element in the list. It does not remove all the occurrence of the elements at a specific index. Okay, it does not remove all the occurrence or elements in a specific index. That's why it removes the first occurrence of the specified elements. Moving to the question number 9. What will be the output of the following code? List A 2, 4, 2, 6, 7, 2. Last element insert. That means in 2 we have to insert 50. Print list A. So if you will insert 50, then what will be 1, 2. After that, how much? Out will be inserted 50. That means 2, 4, 50. Then 2, 6, 7, 2. 2, 4, 50, 2, 6, 7, 2. 9 option A. Okay, 2, 4, then 50, because after 2, then it will be inserted to 50, then 2, 4, 50, 2, 4, 2, 6, 7, 2, 2, 6, 7, 2. You got it? Okay. The insert 250 methods insert 50 at index 2, shifting the remaining elements to the right. The resulting list will be 2, 4, 50, 2, 6, 7, 2. Got it? Now, let's moving to the last question. Which of the following method is used to add elements of one list to another? Add elements means extend. Okay, extend, extend. Okay. So what happen in extend? The extend method is used to add all the elements of one list to another. The append method adds a single elements, and insert adds elements at a specific index. There is no concat method in Python. There is no concat method in Python. So to adding up elements of one list to another, you can use extend method, extend, which is option C. 10 option C. Okay, now we're going to submit the answer wise. You can see the message can come. Your answer has successfully submitted. Thank you for taking the assignment. If you like this video, if you gain some knowledge, you can subscribe and share my channels. And if you have any doubt, in the Pythons for solving the CEC programming in Python or any other Python questions, you can put me on the comment box. I'll try my best to give the answer of your questions. Okay, guys. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.